Good evening, and thank you for inviting me to introduce and tell you about the Circulation Department. My name is Tammy Ammon, and I have the pleasure of overseeing 9 dedicated and hard-working public servants. First, I would like to compliment the Circulation members for their leadership, efforts, and perseverance during the ongoing pandemic that has affected us all. From servicing our patrons in the library to offering them assistance outside, in spite of unique weather conditions, our staff seems to rise to the occasion no matter what. Their hard work has been noticed by our patrons, and we are often rewarded with very kind compliments, varieties of chocolates, ice cream, love the ice cream, individually wrapped cookies, as well as flowers, plants, and all others that we share. Although library services have changed during this extraordinary time, we have been reminded of the enthusiasm of our faithful patrons. For example, in September, when the doors reopened to the public after being closed for approximately 6 months, it was exciting to see people walking in the doors, clapping their hands, pumping their arms, sighing with delight. Perhaps the biggest surprise for us was when we had to close the building again in December, and to just see how many phone calls kept coming and how many people arrived at our doorways not missing a beat to be able to use our services. For example, one day this summer we celebrated and cheered when our patron counter clocked over 126 doorway visitors. To our surprise and delight, just 2 weeks ago, we counted 161 Chili users lined up in coats and hats and clunky shoes just to be able to get their books, periodicals, DVDs, music CDs, and audiobooks to take back home with them. I can't tell you how often we hear that it is the library that keeps them going during this difficult period of time. I, as the Circulation Department head, are very proud of the CIRC staff and would like to introduce each of them to you. Josh Maurer is the department's circulation assistant and oversees much of the quarantine area in the Bay Room. Items in the Bay Room are quarantined for 4 days, and he and other staff members are kept mighty busy as book carts back up. Josh also helps with displays and request issues. Gail Rose is our Commonwealth Catalog Coordinator. Commonwealth Catalog requests are special in that they involve working with other CAPE networks and libraries to acquire items that are simply not available at any of the CAPE libraries. Carrie Aiken oversees FPL's overdue notices, lost materials, and delinquency letters. Her job is probably the most unrewarding position, but her hard work helps to keep FPL's collection up to date and accessible. Rebecca Walbart helps to maintain accurate records for our new patron registrations. We also appreciate Rebecca for all her contributions for enhanced readers advisory options. Laura Wool, FPL's homebound outreach librarian, is a very important member of the circulation team. Laura delivers all kinds of materials throughout the town and at various assisted living locations. Her position has taken on additional responsibilities during this very difficult period. Stephen Walsh, who helps to preserve and repair the collection that is aging and well used. Stephen has a wonderful flair for making up labels for our stacks and designing handouts for FPL programs. Chris Lynch is a strong and steady part-time addition to our circulation staff. She helps to update the New York Times bestseller list for us all each week. We currently also have 2 aides who beautifully assist our department. Kathleen Burgess and Shelby Haddad make such a difference no matter what the need may be. Thank you again for allowing me to come and brag about a team that makes up the circulation department and often contribute as the face of the library.